Hi planner friends! Let's take a look at last week. I did a plan with me using our cozy coffee kit for Hoponichi weeks, and it's looking really pretty. You see the Mimi washi tape sticker at the bottom. It's doing very well for this week. And for this current week, I don't have much going on with in terms of like what kit. As you can see, I cut the washi tape. I reused that washi tape for this week. So you can definitely reuse our sticker kit for the next week. That way you're not wasting your stickers. The States, they have Thanksgiving this coming Thursday. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone, for those living in the States. Oh, I am using Mimi Big Feast, eating a turkey. Honestly, you don't have to use it only for Thanksgiving, but you can use it for like a big party or a huge meal, or if you're someone that loves chicken wings or like deep fried chickens wings, you can definitely use these stickers. So I am using the larger sticker at the very top, this one. And I love about these stickers that it fits so nicely in the Hoponichi weeks, and also Hoponichi cousin as well. Like this. And then you can write a word around it if you like. It's like Thanksgiving. Another huge news is I am having a huge Black Friday sale starting tomorrow. And so there'll be a lot of news that'll be announced tomorrow. And currently I'm working very hard to create some extra freebie for those who shop on my sale. It's gonna be 1 week long. So make sure you don't miss out because the first 4 days you get a very big discount. And after that it'll be a little bit less percentage, but you still a pretty good discount as well. And so freebie will be very big. I am planning on designing this Christmas theme sticker that you can use. And I'm testing out right now designing washi stickers. So I actually do have these washi stickers and I'm testing out. I'm not sure how they will turn out. If they turn out very nice, then I'll put it as freebie. If not, then I will have to experiment another type of material. But that is currently the semi update. I am working very hard. I'm trying to work as fast as I can. There's a lot of things that I want to put on the website, but it's like kind of impossible because there's so many like new design I want to add, turn to kit, and it's kind of stressed me out. So I might have to delay the Hoponichi A6 like kit. I'm currently trying to design that, but I'm stressed out because I don't like the way how it's like the kit looks. So I might have to spend a little bit more time. So I'll design that for next time. So it won't be included for this coming sale, but I'll try my best to add other new design. But I hope you guys will enjoy it. So like there are tons of like Christmas stickers that you can look at. Like this one, it's not too much of like the same design, so you can definitely use these design like every single day in December or whenever you like. And then this is the freebie for November and December. And I love about this like freebie sticker that you can stick it to your Christmas gift, and it's super cute because it's Mimi and the snowman that's shaped as a bear. And this is a very skinny washi sticker that you can use. And so yeah, these are some stuff that you can look at, but you can shop this on my website under Christmas shop, and there's like tons of other Christmas design as well. But yeah, I'm working very hard on my Black Friday sale, like all the information. But stay tuned. Thank you so much for everyone who supported my shop. It means so much. But every time you purchase something for between November and December, you receive this sample for sure. So yeah, let me know if you have any question. Bye, plan friends.